So the other very thought-provoking sloka in chapter 7 is the sloka number 18. So the sloka reads, Karmanyaka karmaya paschet akarmani cha karmayaha sa buddhiman manishyeshu sa yuktaha krishna karma krit कर्मण्य पश्चेत अकर्मणि च कर्मयः स बुद्धिमान मनुष्येषु स युक्तः कृष्ण कर्मकृत् कर्मणि अकर्मण यः पश्चेत. So he is a person who पश्चेत, who is able to visualize कर्मणि karman karma. So he is able to see action, karmani. He is able to see action in akarma means there is inaction. Where there is, he is able to see action in inaction. That is the meaning of the first line. First part, karman karma yapashed. Similarly, akarmani cha karmayaha. He is also able to see inaction in karma, in action. So first line, I am reading the line again and telling you the answer, telling you the meaning. Together you will appreciate. Karmanya karma yah paschet akarmani cha karmayaha. The person who is able to see action in inaction, and a person and the same person is also able to see action inaction in action. That person sabuddhiman manushyeshu. That person, he is a wise man among people. He is the wise man. Who is a wise man? He is a wise man who is able to see action in inaction and inaction in action. That person. Sa yuktaha. He is always associated with the understanding of the Supreme Consciousness. He is always in touch with the Supreme Consciousness. You can understand for the time being. Krishna karma krit. He is a person who can perform all actions in all satisfaction, or perfectly, completely you will be able to perform all actions. So now you get an idea of the meaning of the sloka. The person who sees action in inaction and who sees inaction in action, he is a wise person, and he is capable of doing any job in completely in all respects. That's how you can understand yuktaha, because with that wisdom he is always associated with the Supreme Personality, Divinity. So all the jobs he does will be complete in all respect. So I have to say something more about the karmani akarma. What is this? What is action? What is inaction? Action is the one which strikes the eyes. Action is the one which all our sense organs can perceive, understand something is going on. Inaction is that part which is not visible or cannot be heard, tasted or felt about, or which is beyond the understanding or beyond the perception of the sense organ, is inaction. So when we say a person who sees action in inaction, he really means that even when something is not happening, he will be able to perceive what all the things that is happening inside. So a book as such is not doing anything, but that person who understands this, we will be able to understand that the book, for it to be made, what all the actions would have taken place he understands. You understand this? The software part of the job, you can understand, or all the knowledge and the hard work experience that has gone in making out a product is in action. I mean, the non-seen part, the non-perceivable part of a job done. And similarly, a person who is able to see the akarmani in karma. I mean, he is able to see in action, in an activity already. So he knows what all further jobs can be done, and he can also, you will be able to, so when a job is going on, he will be able to understand what all the software in it that is working for it, what all the things that have gone in it in making a particular activity going on. This is how a person thinks. So a person who is able to see the completed part even in inaction, and a person who will be able to visualize the to be completed part in an already finished activity is a wise person, and that wise person is capable of doing all duties assigned to him complete in all respects. That is how we can understand. And because of the wisdom he has got in this, he will be always in association or in touch with the supreme divinity, Krishna conscious, we can say. Like that you can understand. I am reading the sloka again. Karmanya karma yah pachet akarmani cha karmaya sabuddhiman manushyeshu sayukta krishna karma krit. Krishna means complete in all respects, you understand. I am reading the sloka. Karmanya karma yah pachet akarmani cha karmaya sabuddhiman manusyeshu sayukta krishna karma krit. Thank you. Hare Krishna.